These crochet baskets I made with different depth, just to show that with the same base you can have different type of baskets. And this basket fits on my shelf exactly like that, and it fits even yarn inside. And this one can go in, so it's just the length of couple of yarn skeins, just like this. This one I made a little bit deeper, and then I added just a little band of a different color here because I ran out of this color. And this is also a good depth, though a little bit deeper than the previous one. It's perfect. I think even will make a perfect purse if you just put some straps around it here, around your shoulder. That will be great. And here is the last one. It's pretty deep. The whole yarn balls goes inside. And let's see the size. So the bottom is the same for all of them. It is about 12 inches to 4.5 inches, and the length for this one is 11 inches, and I will put extra information for the other ones in the description below or the first comment. And the other quick thing is that it works so fast because I'm holding my yarn double, and I am using 5.5 millimeters crochet hook, which works really fast. I just was watching TV and I was done, and I'm working in a half double crochet, so that's the absolutely easy thing. And I tried in this basket, I crocheted in a continuous spiral, so I didn't chain one and go to the next row. So here is my end. I just will weave in that end over there. So there is a little bit of a height. However, this one I didn't do that. I do slip stitch and chain one and then go to the next row. So each color has 5 rows, and the base starts with chain 12. So let's get started. So pulling the yarn, one from the inside and one from the outside of your skein, you make a slip stitch. And the easiest way is to get the tail and just twist it around your hook, just like this. And then you can chain one. And this is your slip knot here. So now you can chain 12. Make sure you catch both of the strands. Oops, yep, do not miss one. And then after you chain 12, you skip the first chain you have, and then going into the next one, we'll do a half double crochets. Make sure you make that chain loose so it doesn't bunch the end of it. And once you reach the end of your chain, I have a few more stitches here. You will have 11 stitches. We did chain 12, but we lose one when we turn. And then we have 11 stitches for the base. Then we chain one, we turn our work, we do yarn over for the half double crochet, and into that first stitch we do another half double crochets, again 11 times till the end of the row, and we'll do this for 12 inches, or in my case for 24 rows. And it was just very easy because it all turned out to be 12 rows for all the yarn. And I did hold the yarn twice, double, and I used 2 different colors. Here I'm using the same color, turning again and doing a half double crochet all the way. And I'll catch you in a bit. When you finish all your 24 rows, well, into that last stitch you have, you will do 3 half double crochets, so we can turn that corner. Then the sides, you will get a half double crochet in each row. So everywhere you see a row, so this is one and this is the next row, we'll do a half double crochet. And when you reach the end, that last row here, you'll do again, oops, 3 half double crochets. So each corner will get 3 half double crochets in just this row. Everything else after that will be just regular half double crochets, no more increases. On this side, each stitch will get half double crochets again till the corner. I'm getting almost there. In this corner also 3 half double crochets. In this side we'll do again half double crochets in each row. There, make sure you grab both of the strands of the yarn, and when you reach the corner here, we already have 1 single crochet in that stitch. We're just gonna put 2 for a total of 3. Make sure you go at the base of the stitch, not the stitch itself. And now here we're gonna pick the top of the stitch where your chain was. We're gonna slip stitch in there, and we're gonna slip stitch into the next stitch as well. It just creates the base for the next row when we get to that stitch, and it looks much better. At least my grandma used to do that. And then we chain 1. This is the height of our chain, and then half single crochet, a half double crochet actually, into that stitch there. And now we're just gonna go around with half double crochets all the way in this manner, all the way till the end of our basket, nothing else. And you just switch the color or you don't switch a color, it's really up to you. But this is how I go and begin and end each row. This will turn into a small basket here if I keep going, but that's it. It is so easy and cute. I'm finishing my basket here. And it's so easy. And I'm gonna slip stitch into the last stitch here, and that will be it. And since I don't want to forget the crochet hook I used, I'm gonna take a little note in my project journal. You can find the link for this project journal in the description below or in the about section. And then here we have a basket. I might turn into a bag later because I'm waiting for some shoulder straps to arrive, and they will make a great bag. And today's date is February 20th. Well, it's February 20th because I started it early in the morning, and by the afternoon it was all done. So it could be a one-day project. It's a personal project, and the weight, it's a 4-weight yarn, 4-weight, hold it double, and I like making baskets. I will definitely make more. So I'm rating my little pattern. And that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe and grab your crochet project journal. Bye!